Hello everyone. So your song is in the key of E flat major, but we're not going to use bar chords, so we need a capo. Okay, you put that capo on the first fret, secure it properly. If you have a capo that is adjustable, the tension, that's very good. You won't destroy your frets there. Okay, so adjust it to the correct tension and then check your strings. Everything's ringing correctly. Okay, now let's start. Now, since we're in the key of E flat and you already have a capo on the first fret, we can use open chords. The D shape, you can think of it as D for now. Okay, from now on, so you can forget where the head is and treat this as the 0 fret now. Okay, all right, chord progression for the intro. We have D major, G major, A, and then G. Very easy, straightforward. D, G, A, G. The verse chord progressions that we're going to use: chords D major, G, but it's more of a G major 7, then A major, but it's more of an A major over an A over C sharp, like that. But we'll just do the basics for now. Okay, so we have A, and then we have F sharp minor, B minor, and then we have that B minor series chords: B minor over A, B minor over G sharp, and then G. Okay, so you practice that first, just a normal B minor bar chord shape, then B minor over A. Just remove your first finger, get that A string, and then this one, have to change your finger position, your middle finger, instead of plucking that second string, put it on the 6th string here, above your ring and pinky on the 6th string, and then replace it with your first finger, where the middle finger was. That is your B minor /6, yeah. This is going down, like, or over G sharp. So the first B minor over A, and then this is like a G sharp. All right, but in reality, in the actual key, that's A, C minor over A. Okay, but since we have a capo, we're calling it B minor over G sharp. All right. Okay. So, and then after that, you get a G. So those are those chords. If you're wondering how to play those notes or those chords on the guitar, the part is not one of those who can a B minor. I'm not one of those with an A who can, and then G sharp easily, and then G high. Okay, without stopping. I'm not one of those who can easily hide. Okay, and then the next line, D, don't have much money. Now this time F sharp is major. Boy, if I did. B minor, D, I'll buy a big E minor, the G, A, and then just repeat. Those are the verse chords. Repeat it for verse 2. And then for verse 2, except for the last chord, it ends on, instead of A, my gift is my song and this one's for you, it resolves to D. Alright, your chorus chords progression is A, but in reality it's A over C sharp again, but let's stick to basics for now. A, and you can tell B minor, E minor, G, repeat. It may be quite simple, but now that it's done. Okay, remember that B minor series chords? B minor over A, B minor over G sharp, right? That's it. I hope you don't mind, that I put down in words. Now you have that G again, right? How D, E minor, now you're in G, A. intro. So after intro, it goes to the verse 3, same chords, but it resolves on A instead. And then verse 4, same chords on the verse, but it resolves on D, just like the verse 1 and 2, okay? Then go again through the chorus chords, A, B minor, E minor, G, just the chorus chords. And then repeat the chorus, that part where you say, wait, I hope you don't mind, I hope you don't mind, put down the words, how wonderful life is while you're in the world. And then repeat that for the ending. I hope you don't mind, I hope you don't mind, that I put down in words. Then I want E minor, G. Now resolve on D instead. That's the outro. D, G, A, G, then D. There you go. Hope this helps you out. Good luck in your practice. I'll see you in the next one.